Greetings, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. I am Lucky Child, the Prince of Africa. Right now, I am in Bigilo, Bigilo Heights right at the moment. So, respect. Big up to yourself, man, brother. So, I am Lucky Child. That's a fan. Shout out. So, we are in the Bigilo Height right at the moment. You can simply spot Bigilo Height apartment, right? So, we're going to move inside to see where Bigilo Height apartment is hidden right at the moment. And then behind me, right, that will lead you straight to Ghana Town Johnson. And that's Mohammed Jah Johnson behind me. As well, you can see this big truck of mixer, right? So we are in Brufut Height. Yeah, so that's Mohammed Jah Johnson, the main Johnson that will lead you to Mohammed Jah. And then that's the road that will lead you to straight to Ghana Town Johnson. So here where I am is a newly built construction road right at the moment. I think is where that mixing concrete truck is coming from. So simply the way you can have beach over there, you know, the ozone. So right now we're going to move and then see how Bigilo Heights looks like. You know, I've been to Brufut Heights, so this is the Bigilo Height right now. So stay tuned and focus with the eye of the Gambia, the Prince of Africa, to showcase the Gambia, to see how unique and wonderful Gambia is. Gambians are truly building the Gambia, especially the diasporas are really building in the Gambia. So you see this green behind me is Moringa. It's the tree of life, the miracle tree, the tree that can cure each and every disease. So right now, I am Lucky Child, the Prince of Africa. Can't forget to bow and big up to my people all over the world in Norway, Germany, Sweden, America, Guinea-Bissau, Conakry, Ghana, Congo, Cameroon, working hard every day for Africa to the higher level. So we represent red, white, blue, white, green to the four corners of the world. Your Prince of Africa, Lucky Child. Yeah, so we start up the journey to move forward. So it's where I was standing right now and then trying to show you the movement in and out. So that's Mohammed Jah Johnson, and straight that will lead you straight to Ghana Town. I love Moringa tree though. So simply the way walking down to see the neighborhood in Bigilo Height, right? Wow. We love nature, agriculture, straightforward. So working on. So the Gambia is smiling coast. Trying to show you the Brufut Height. So like and share our videos to the four corners of the world. It's all about our channel. Lucky loves the Gambia. So if you love the Gambia, you love Africa, you can subscribe, drop your comment, let us know where you're watching us from. Let us know where you're viewing us from, right? The eye of the Gambia. So you can drop your comment and let us know where you want to see us next step, next move. See nice buildings around. Remember, we are in the rainy season. And it's rainy season, the Gambia is beauty plus. Yes, what make it to be beauty plus is the green agriculture, this nature. Green. It's nature, it's lovely. Look at the neighboring hood. But as I said, yeah, the green nature. banana. Wow. So this way you can see Bigilo. What do you love about this neighborhood? Drop your comment and let us know. Trying to meet Mr. Amara. Mr. Amara. Assalamu alaikum. Trying to walk to the big shot. Assalamu alaikum. So that's the ocean phrase. Bigilo High. Wow. So this apartment here, luxurious apartment. There's an apartment right now, and that's another apartment there. Wow, but no telephone numbers. It's all about Gambia. You good, yeah? Wow. So wonderful and proper standard buildings over here. It's about the Gambia, the smiling coast. Yeah, this is so nice. The apartment, I love it. Security cameras in US. That house was for sale. I did an advertisement here, but I don't know anyway if it is the land or the house I've gone. Look at Gambia. Hey, Gambians are building the Gambia, yeah? Wow. This is the Bigilo High. Oh, that's a very nice white house. I think that's gonna be apartment too. New structures are coming up. New buildings. Oh, look at that. New buildings here. The journey. What will be the next area you want us to see? Sorry for not dropping video yesterday, Saturday. More authentic videos are coming up. What I love about the place is the streets. The street is too open. Open. Beautiful Gambia, green Gambia. Meeting Amaro and the family. Look at this unique, wonderful, proper standard area. So nice. So this is where I'm going to. The waterfront. Gambia. That's like a sonic building though. As I said, I always said, subscribe, like, comment, and share for more powerful contents in the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast of the world. So that will lead you down to the big shite. Yes. Love is a feeling, love is a reason. I will snap you there. Big up. I love that landscaping.